Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. We still have heat wave conditions going on across the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, extending eastwards into western Limpopo, across Gauteng and the Free State, and pushing down into the northern areas of the Eastern Cape. Fortunately, the heat wave goes away this Monday. We are going to see isolated to scattered rain and thunder showers over parts of eastern South Africa this afternoon, and the wet weather going on along the south coast is expected to go away later on this afternoon. Now, on the most recent satellite picture, we are already seeing storm clouds forming, extending from the northwest down into KwaZulu-Natal. We also have this cold front driving rain clouds into parts of the south coast. Now, we are going to stay with the drizzly conditions over these parts of the country, but it should become dry later on this afternoon. On the other hand, rain and thunder showers are expected to set in this afternoon, extending from the northwest down into KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. And it's going to stay unsettled tonight across much of eastern South Africa. Fine weather persists this evening for the western parts of the country. Now, this Monday, you can expect up to a 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms, where you see the dark shade of blue across the northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape and across much of the KwaZulu-Natal interior. Between a 20 and 40% chance of precipitation is forecast, where you see the lighter shades of blue over eastern South Africa. Just a 20% chance of drizzle is forecast for parts of the south coast. Light to moderate winds are expected this afternoon across much of South Africa. It's going to be rather breezy, however, along much of the east coast, where most areas will see winds gusting to 35 kilometers per hour. Similar wind speeds are forecast around Cape Town, where mostly a south to southeasterly airflow is expected this afternoon. Here's how hot it is going to be in your part of South Africa. A high of 37 is forecast for Upington, the same for Bloemfontein, a degree hotter as we go towards Kimberley. Pretty hot as well for much of northeastern South Africa, where most areas will see temperatures reaching the mid-30s. A sizzling hot 39 is forecast around Lephalale. It's also going to be hot for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, a manageable 30 for the high in Durban. Cooler as we go towards East London, Bishop and Port Elizabeth, all peaking at around 26 degrees. Cape Town should reach a warm 25 this afternoon. We have a warning in place for high fire danger for your Monday afternoon across much of the Northern Cape interior. You need to be very cautious around open fires if you are in those parts of South Africa. And now, looking ahead to your Tuesday, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the western areas. Thunderstorms are forecast in most areas across the interior. Light rain between East London and Richards Bay, pushing northwards into Mbombela and Polokwane. Then on Wednesday, we are going to see thunder showers across much of the interior, extending down into the Eastern Cape.